Hey guys, Mike with CoachMikeMacDonald.com here, the channel where we help business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing, paid ads, and automation. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a profitable business. And in today's video, I'll be going through a simple 3-step Facebook advertising strategy you can use to write your Facebook ads to generate more quality traffic, leads, and sales for your business. So let's get into it. So one thing that I find a lot of people make the mistake of when they're running Facebook ads is that they don't write their ad in an effective manner. They really just talk about the features of their business, the features of their product, the features of their offer, and that's great, but it's not necessarily what's going to draw people in and have them actually go to check out your offer from your Facebook ad. So if you're looking to generate more traffic, leads, and sales with your Facebook advertising, this is a great formula to follow. So the first step is going to be to call out some type of problem, some type of pain point or need or goal of your ideal customer. So you might say something along the lines of, are you struggling with blank, or tired of dealing with blank, wish you had a solution to blank, imagine having blank in your life, right? Whatever the case might be, these are some different options you can use, but you basically highlight a problem that someone is struggling with. So again, maybe you are a painter and you're talking about helping people get past the hurdle of finding a quality painter for their home. So you might say something, sick of scouring through website after website of painters that end up having no qualifications and do shoddy work. Imagine being able to hire a painter that gets the job done right on budget, leaves your home looking amazing after the first time. Something like that. That could be a great example. Or again, maybe you are a business coach and you're looking to help other business owners generate more income in their business. So imagine having a flood of high quality customers reaching out to you on a daily basis. Would that make a difference in your business? So something again that's going to really just draw in people, that's going to highlight a problem that they have or that they're dealing with. Again, some type of goal that they want to reach or achieve, or some type of better result that you know that your end game services can help that person with. So highlight that first. The next step, step number 2, is to cover how your offer is going to solve that problem or help them reach that goal faster, and highlight the benefits of your offer while doing that. And so again, maybe you're offering like a training course. So you're maybe a real estate agent and you're helping first-time home buyers pick out the perfect home. And so maybe you put together a ebook guide on how to pick your first home, 10 stumbling blocks that keep people from getting their first home. And so you've put together an ebook on that. So you might put together the middle section of your ad talking about the benefits of working with you. And when you work with me and download this guide, you're going to learn blank, blank, and blank. Or 3 of the top things you'll learn in this guide are this, this, and this. And that's going to help you overcome the most common issues of buying your first home, like not having a high enough credit score, not having a big enough down payment, looking in the wrong area, right? Again, whatever the case might be, you highlight a little bit about your offer, the benefits from it, and then how that's going to actually help solve that problem, reach that goal, avoid that pain point, again, highlighting that. So from there, step number 3 is just simple. You're just having a call to action to drive traffic to that offer. So again, that could be something simple as visit our website to download the guide. You can access it here. Or give us a call to get a free estimate, or head here to get a quote online. Whatever the case might be, then you just simply include your website that you're looking to drive traffic to at that point. And then again, when you're filling out the ad, the rest of it, you can have a little description, a little call to action, free guide available here. And then again, it says download for the button that you're using on Facebook, or visit our site to learn more, and you have a learn more button, whatever the case might be. Just another simple call to action in the actual ad that you're having for the next step. So it's a very simple process. Number one, highlight a pain point, a goal, a problem, a need that you're helping someone either achieve or avoid in their business. That's your ideal customer's number one top problem. Again, the second step is going to be highlighting the benefits of your offer and how it's a solution to that problem, how it can help them avoid that pain point, reach that goal faster, again, whatever the case is. And then step number three is to have a call to action to drive traffic to that landing page where you want to actually send someone. So that's your website, again, your landing page, where they download your ebook, requesting a quote for your business, whatever the case might be. And then simply you fill out the rest of the ad that, again, further drives traffic to that offer with the actual button. But you want to include that link in the written part, and then also have that as a feature that they can access. So again, definitely implement this strategy. It works for any business because, again, when you solve your ideal customer's problems, that's something that they're on board with, right? They're excited about, they want to learn more about. So stop just talking about the features of your business, because most people don't care. So again, guys, if you haven't implemented a strategy like this, make sure you use this simple 3-step Facebook advertising strategy to generate more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. And if you guys like this video, be sure to smash that like button, as it really helps out the channel. And again, if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on those bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a profitable business. And if you'd like to learn more about having our company run your Facebook ads for you, set up a lead generation system for your business with Facebook advertising, content marketing, and more, head on over to coachmikemacdonald.com, and then you can actually click on the digital marketing packages to learn more about our services there. But again, thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.